Hello everyone. Next point in alcohols, phenols and ethers, that is reaction due to breaking of CO bond in alcohol. CO bond means for example here write structure of secondary alcohol. This is structure of secondary alcohol, and we see the reaction due to breaking of this carbon and this oxygen, breaking of this carbon and oxygen bond in alcohols. Let's see first reaction with hydrogen halides. Alcohol react with hydrogen halide to form alkyl halide. See here, this alcohol reacts with hydrogen halide. Hydrogen halide may be hydrogen chloride, hydrogen bromide or hydrogen iodide. In suitable condition, it gives alkyl halide and water as a byproduct. In this reaction, the hydroxyl group of an alcohol and hydrogen atom of an alkyl halide combine together to form water, and this halogen atom attach to alkyl group and formation of alkyl halide takes place. When HCl, when we take hydrogen halide as a hydrogen chloride, when hydrogen chloride react only in presence of anhydrous zinc chloride. When we take hydrogen chloride as hydrogen halide, it reacts in presence of only anhydrous zinc chloride. It gives alkyl chloride and water. This process is known as Gru's process. But when hydrogen bromide and hydrogen iodide react with alcohol, there is no catalyst required. See here, this alcohol react with hydrogen bromide. This hydrogen bromide is prepared in situ. It gives alkyl bromide and water. In second reaction, alcohol react with hydrogen iodide. This hydrogen iodide is also prepared in situ. It gives alkyl iodide and water. The order of reactivity of alcohol with given hydrogen halide is: tertiary alcohol react faster as compared to secondary alcohol, and secondary alcohol react faster as compared to primary alcohol. Then next, order of reactivity of hydrogen halide is: hydrogen iodide react faster as compared to hydrogen bromide, and hydrogen bromide react faster as compared to hydrogen chloride. This is first reaction, reaction with hydrogen halides. Then reaction with phosphorus halide. Alcohol react with phosphorus trihalide. It gives alkyl halide and phosphoric acid. And when alcohol react with phosphorus pentahalide, it gives alkyl halide, hydrogen halide and phosphorus oxyhalide. This reaction studied in 11th standard. Then third, dehydration of alcohol to alkenes. Dehydration is nothing but removal of water molecule from alcohol. अल्कोहोल मधून वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल काय करायचा, रिमूव्ह करायचा. See, alcohol when treated with concentrated sulfuric acid or phosphoric acid or alumina undergoes dehydration to form alkene and water. The reaction gives more substituted alkene as a major product in accordance with Setzev rule. See here, this is structure of alcohol. The carbon containing hydroxyl group is known as alpha carbon, and the carbon in yellow shaded is beta carbon. When this alcohol treated with concentrated sulfuric acid, when this alcohol react with concentrated sulfuric acid, it undergo dehydration to form alkene. See here, the first major product is formed when a removal of hydrogen from this beta carbon and hydroxyl group from alpha carbon, removal of water means dehydration takes place and formation of CH3 CH double bond CH CH3 as a major product. And this major when removal of hydrogen from this carbon and hydroxyl group from alpha carbon, formation of CH3 CH2 CH double bond CH2 and removal of water molecule takes place. And these two products are one is major and another one is minor. This major and minor product is determined by using Set-Zep rule. So what is Set-Zep rule? In dehydration, the preferred product is the alkene that has greater number of alkyl group attached to doubly bonded carbon atom. Set-Zep rule काय सांगतोय? प्रेफर्ड प्रोडक्ट म्हणजे मेजर प्रोडक्ट कोणता असेल की कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्डला सगळ्यात जास्त अल्किल ग्रुप अटॅच असले पाहिजेत. ज्या कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्डला जास्त अल्किल ग्रुप अटॅच असतील तो कोणता झाला? मेजर प्रोडक्ट. सी हियर इन दिस प्रोडक्ट हियर 2 alkyl group, 2 methyl group is attached to carbon carbon double bond, but in minor product only 1 ethyl group is attached to carbon carbon double bond. This is dehydration of alcohol to alkene. Dehydration means अल्कोहोल मधील वॉटर मॉलिक्यूल रिमूव्ह केल्यानंतर त्याचं कन्वर्जन अल्किन मध्ये झालेलं आहे. देन नेक्स्ट ऑक्सिडेशन ऑफ अल्कोहोल्स. ऑक्सिडेशन इज नथिंग बट रिमूव्हल ऑफ हायड्रोजन. अल्कोहोलमधून काय रिमूव्ह करायचं आहे? हायड्रोजन. प्रायमरी अँड सेकंडरी अल्कोहोल ऑन ऑक्सिडेशन अंडरगोज dehydrogenation. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen to form aldehyde and ketone respectively. See here, this primary alcohol undergoes oxidation. In presence of oxidizing agent, it gives aldehyde. Removal of hydrogen. This H2 molecule is removed from this carbon and formation of aldehyde takes place. When secondary alcohol undergoes oxidation, formation of ketone takes place. This 2 hydrogen is removed and formation of ketone takes place. Then heating with copper. When vapors of various type of alcohol are passed over hot copper, the following reactions are observed. When primary alcohol react with copper, undergo oxidation, means removal of hydrogen, it gives aldehyde. When secondary alcohol undergoes oxidation in presence of hot copper, it gives ketone, removal of these 2 hydrogen. And when tertiary alcohol react with hot copper, it undergoes dehydration Dehydration means removal of water molecule from an alcohol. It gives alkene. Removal of water molecule, the hydroxyl group open this carbon and one hydrogen from this methyl group, and formation of double bond takes place. Means tertiary alcohol react with hot copper, undergoes dehydration, and formation of alkene takes place. These are the reactions due to breaking of CO bond in alcohol. I hope you understand.